Hi. Now, this is a very short video which I came up with. This is about a person in Bangalore who is out in a mission to save trees in Bangalore. And I would, as I stay in Bangalore, so I would wholeheartedly support him on the cause what he is doing. During this deforestation processes which are going on around the world, he's the person who is saving trees in Bangalore. His name is Vinod Kartavya. You can Google him or you can just find him in any of the social platforms. It might be Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. And he is a junior scientist in DRDO, which is a Defense Research and Development Organization. And as per the Protection Act, Trees Protection Act, or as per the Bangalore Protection Act, it is mentioned that you cannot pin a poster or you cannot nail a poster on the trees. So what this person has done is on every Sunday with his friends, he's out on a mission to take out those posters from the tree or the nails or the staples from the tree to save the tree. Basically, if you nail a tree, there are certain possibilities that the tree might die. So he's out to do something good. Let's find him out. We also have holidays on Sundays, so let's try to connect with him and support him if it is possible. And this is excellent job what he is doing. And share these videos as much as you can. Just popularize this person. He's doing a very good job. He's saving trees. He's saving birds also, and I hope you contribute something to this also. If you cannot connect him, you can also come go out on Sundays and do such certain causes also. I hope you like these videos. I'll keep on sharing such good videos with you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.